Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discuss about cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system is one of the physiological system. In this video, more focus about the anatomy of the heart. As you see, this is a model of human heart. So here is the heart model. So you can see in this structure, here is the vein and the artery, blood vessel on the heart. So the red color indicates the coronary artery. The coronary artery carry oxygenated blood from the heart into the heart, and the coronary veins receive deoxygenated blood from the muscle or the tissue of the heart towards the heart. So here is when you open this one. When you open this one, the internal features of the heart seems like this. So the heart have four chambers. This is the right atrium, and this is the right ventricle, and here is the left atrium, and this one the left ventricle. So the heart have the four chambers, seems like this. So the deoxygenated blood comes from the all of the body through superior and inferior vena cava, and the deoxygenated blood enter to this one. From this one, again the blood is pumped into the right ventricle on here. So the blood moves around here on this direction. The direction indicate that. So after the deoxygenated blood moves on this, again the deoxygenated blood pump into the pulmonary artery. At this time, the blood pumping again to the pulmonary artery. The backflow of the blood again to the right atrium is protected by the valve, which is known as tricuspid valve. So this is the blood moves into the pulmonary artery, and the valves become closed and protect the backflow of the blood from the right ventricle into right atrium. Then the blood moves into the pulmonary artery. In this direction. In this direction, the deoxygenated blood moves the left lung, and this one moves into the right lung. After rich and deoxygenated blood or the carbon dioxide remove into the environment, and the oxygenated blood again moves into the heart. The left lungs received oxygenated blood on here, and the right lungs received oxygenated blood on here. Then the blood enter on this direction into left atrium. Then the left atrium oxygenated blood again pump into the left ventricle in this direction. Again from the left ventricle, the oxygenated blood pumped into the aorta on this direction. At this time, the valve that protects the backflow of the blood from the left ventricle into left atrium, which is known as bicuspid valve or mitral valve, that protects the backflow of the blood from the left ventricle into left atrium. Then the blood is pushed on this the heart muscles become contract like this, and the bloods are moves in this direction and moves in this way. This is aorta. Then the blood becomes relaxed, and the blood it may be back again in this. So to protect this, the backflow of blood from the aorta into left ventricle, which is known as aortic valve. In this direction, on this area, there is a aortic valve that helps to protect the backflow of blood from the aorta into the left ventricle. Then the blood moves on this is aorta. Then the small arteries receive oxygenated blood from the aorta and distributed all of our body. This direction, the lower part of the artery, and moves oxygenated blood to the body or the cell, and this part also carry oxygenated blood to the upper part of the body. After the cells use oxygenated blood, again deoxygenated blood are come out of the cell and moves into the vena cava. Here is a superior and inferior vena cava, collect all deoxygenated blood and enter on this direction. Again the blood moves on this direction, pulmonary artery. From the pulmonary artery, the blood moves into the lung. At this time, when the blood, the heart is relaxed and the blood, it may go back. So the valve that protect the backflow of the blood, which is known as pulmonary valves. This part of the heart is pericardium, the outer layer, and this one inner layer, which is known as endocardium. The outer layer or the pericardium helps to protecting overexpand of the heart and protecting from the physical environment, and the inner layer which is known as endocardium, this helps to the smooth pumping of blood And this one, the myocardium part of the heart. This is a muscle that helps to contraction, relaxation of the heart when the blood is pumping. And this one is a papillary muscle that helps to the blood pumping or the blood pump. So that structure seems like this.